Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the 8 problems with Vivo V9. To be completely honest, there are only 2 major problems and the 6 other things are just like nitpicking. Now with that said, there isn't a perfect phone out there. Every phone has its own set of problems and issues, so just make sure that these problems doesn't affect you. Now the major problem with the Vivo V9 is its display itself. Yes, this phone has a massive 6.3-inch display, which looks really amazing with the top notch. While watching videos on YouTube or while playing games, you can see 2 black bars on either side. Normally, we can do a pin gesture to go full screen while watching videos on YouTube. But that isn't working, at least right out of the box. Until few hours ago, I really thought we couldn't do anything about it. But luckily we can. In the display section, we can tweak these settings to make an app go full screen. By default, all the apps are set to safe area display, and we just need to make it full screen to have a full view display. Now once you do that, we can watch videos and even play games in the full screen. Vivo should have given us the option to open an app in the full screen mode, at least when we open an app for the very first time. And that's the reason why I'm listing this as a problem, even though it has a solution. Now the next problem with Vivo V9 is with the split screen mode. Split screen mode has been on Android for a very long time now, and still Vivo is not able to fully support it. Only few applications selected by Vivo support this feature, which once again makes a waste of all that screen real estate when you can use multiple applications. So guys, these were the 2 major issues with the phone, which probably can't be fixed right now. Now coming to some minor issues, this phone doesn't have any video stabilization. Now this phone is priced around 23,000 rupees. It comes with 4K video recording but still doesn't offer any stabilization. Now this is more like a flagship from Vivo in the Indian market, and it is sad to see that Vivo is not providing us video stabilization for a phone that looks this good. By the way, this is a sample footage recorded in 1080p. Now the next problem is no fast charging. Well, fast charging isn't mandatory or compulsory, but once again, for a phone that's priced 23,000 rupees or north of 20,000, fast charging would have been greatly appreciated. Now the next problem would be the display itself. Now yes, this display looks awesome, definitely one of the best displays out there, but an AMOLED display would have been much better. It would have helped with power consumption, and picture quality itself would be much better with deeper blacks on an AMOLED display. So once again, that's something missing on the Vivo V9. Next problem would be with the build. On the back, this one comes with a plastic build with a very nice glossy finish. Yes, that looks really pretty, but something like a unibody metal design or even a glass back would have been much better. On a 9 Lite, which is just priced 11,000 rupees, comes with a glass back. Similarly, Vivo could have also done it at this price range. Once again, not a big deal, but something you might want to consider. Next one would be the processor. This phone packs a Snapdragon 626 processor, which is definitely a pretty good processor, but it's kinda old, and for the price, it simply feels too underpowered. Just like the Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Moto X4, they could have at least gone with the Snapdragon 630 or the 636 processor. Now finally, there is no video calling option from the stock phone dialer. So if you want to make any video calls over LTE or using the Jio network, we still have to install a third-party Jio application to make the video call. Jio has been in India for a very long time, and it's time companies started adding this feature in their stock phone dialer. Most of the problems that we discussed in this video related to the software department can be fixed with an OTA update, but we have to see if Vivo will do it or not. So guys, what do you think about this new Vivo V9? What do you like about this phone and don't like about this phone? Do let us know by commenting below this video. By the way, if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag ASKGREEDYTECH on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.